Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I'm going to take this product bundle that I bought on a peachy cheap deal to make a very easy mini album. So it came with washi tape and some tags, package of ephemera, 3 stencils that coordinate with the suite, a set of stickers, and a 36-page paper pad, 6 by 8 pages. So I am using a half-size mini binder because these are pretty inexpensive from the office supply section. My first page is for the baby's name, once that's known. And then I've got my very easy mini album here. I used a consistent format throughout, where one page is the pattern paper doing all the work, and the facing page is plain cardstock decorated with the elements from the kit. So of course there was quite a lot to choose from, with washi tape. I had some strips of paper that I trimmed off the paper pad to make the pages the right size, quite a lot of tags and ephemera, and so this was a very quick and easy process to put together this mini album. I thought that this suite was very appropriate for a baby girl, lots of pinks. It's called Sun Chaser, and I believe it's a past season, but many of the elements are still available, and I've linked those in the description box along with the album. So I did use some of the vellum tag pockets and a heart punch to cut out some heart shapes here. I didn't really need the tag pockets because I can't use an interactive element in a page protector album. And I did some tone-on-tone stenciling with the stencils that came in the pack. Thought that was very attractive. I love those hearts. Some more vellum hearts here. Some more tone-on-tone stenciling for the page. Now I did start to run out of elements from the kit towards the back, so I did stretch out a little bit with some acrylic paint. Here I just put down some heart shapes and painted across the top of them to make this facing page. And here I cut my own stencil for a very large popsicle to go with the popsicle pattern paper. I thought that was pretty successful, and that was a lot of fun to do. And then we're moving on to more stenciling with acrylic paint, with some clouds. I thought that was very appropriate since there are also clouds in the paper pack. And here are the hearts from the previous page. I just peeled those right off the plain cardstock and used them elsewhere. And then I had some freehand hearts to match the pattern paper on the facing page here. So that was a very quick and easy mini album. I think it's going to be a very successful baby book for the recipient. But I did have some leftover supplies, quite a bit of pattern paper, the stencils, a few stickers, and lots of washi tape. So I made 7 cards. So I did use the washi tape to decorate on the inside of each of these cards, and I used a few dies to make the sentiments on the pattern paper, but I thought the pattern paper was too attractive to go to waste, and it definitely coordinated. So I thought these were very quick and easy cards with the pattern paper doing most of the work. And overall, I think that was a very successful use of the entire bundle, and there is just very, very little left out of that bundle of product. That's the only paper scraps of any size that's left, and I did have quite a lot of washi tape, so I've got washi tape available for future projects, and not too much waste to go into the recycling bin or the trash. So it was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I thank you for joining me today.